How to fix your BMO Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your login problem of your BMO Bank. So let's say you're trying to log into your BMO account and you're not being able to log in. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing is make sure you're entering the correct user ID and your password, as even if one single letter of your credentials are wrong, you will not be able to log in, which may be the reason for your problem. So if you're not sure or are doubtful about your user ID and password, you can always reset them by tapping these options right over here. After that, now another common reason is the BMO servers may be down. So make sure the servers are up and running, as sometimes if the servers are not running, you will not be able to log in or use any of the features. So make sure they are up and running. The third thing you can do is check your internet connection, as BMO app requires internet connection to work. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data. Now another thing you can do is simply update the app to the latest version, as sometimes the newer features and fixes will not work, causing your login problem. Now once you've done all of those, your problem should definitely be solved. But if your problem is still there, you can always call this number and they will be able to help you from there. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.